Hello everyone. Now let's see this question, how we will solve this question. If 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equal to 4. So this first equation is given to us, 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equal to 4. Second equation is given, 2 raised to y into 3 raised to x equals to 6. This is our second equation. And third equation is given to us, 6 raised to z is equals to 2. So this is our third equation. Now we need to prove that, now this is a prove that type of question. Okay, so we need to prove that x into y is equal to z into bracket z plus 1. So this we need to prove, and these are the three equations which are given to us. Now this is a question from advanced algebra. So let us see how we will solve this type of interesting question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So let's see how we will prove this part. X into y is equal to z into z plus 1. So this we need to prove. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, three equations are given to us. So first of all, we are going to use this first equation. First equation is 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equal to 4. So this is our first equation and this we are going to use. Okay, so now if you see this carefully, 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y, I am keeping as it is, and this side in place of 4 I am writing 2 into 2. Okay, so in place of 4 I have written 2 into 2. Now further what we can do is 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y equals to, now 2 into 2. If you see third equation, 2 is equal to 6 raised to z. It is given to us. 2 is equal to 6 raised to z. So this third equation, this part we are going to use. So in place of 2, I will keep 6 raised to z. So this 1, 2 I am keeping as it is, and in place of this 2, I am keeping 6 raised to z. Okay, so now further moving ahead. So this part 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y I am keeping as it is. This side 2 into. Now in place of 6, 6 is equal to 2 into 3. So in place of 6 I am writing 2 into 3. So here I am writing 2 into 3, and this whole part raised to z. This power z we are keeping as it is. Okay, I hope, okay, now it is visible. So this z I am keeping as it is. So 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y equals to 4 was there. Okay, so this 4 I have written 2 into 2. Okay, and here 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y, in place of 2, this 2, 1, 2 I have kept as it is, and this second 2, in place of that I have written 6 raised to z, because third equation if you see 2 can be written as 6 raised to z. So we are getting 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y equals to 2 into. Now in place of 6 I have written factors of 6, 2 into 3 and that whole raised to z. Now further what we will do. So this 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y equals to, now this 2 into, here this power is for both, right? So 2 raised to z into 3 raised to z. So this way we can open the bracket and we can write up like this. Now further 2 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equal to, now you can see that 2 and 2 bases are same. So we can add up this. So it will be 2 raised to z plus 1 into 3 raised to z. So this we are getting. Now comparing the powers of 2 and 3, both the sides you can see the bases 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 are same. So what we will do, comparing the powers of 2 and 3. So now we are comparing the powers of 2 and 3. So here 2 raised to x and here 2 raised to z plus 1. So bases are same. So obviously the powers can be taken as equal. So what we are getting? We are getting x is equal to z plus 1. Now comparing the power of 3. So here also 3 and here also 3. The bases are same, so powers are also same. So y is equal to z. Y is equal to z. Now this is our fourth and fifth equation. This is our fourth equation and this is our fifth equation. Now what we will do, multiply equation 4 and 5. Now this both equation we will multiply. So LHS part we will multiply and RHS part we will multiply. So this both equation, this both we will multiply. So x into y, here I am getting x into y equals to, Here what I will get, z into bracket z plus 1. So this I am getting after multiplication, and this we need to prove, right? X into y is equal to z into z plus 1, and this we have got. X into y is equal to z into z plus 1. So hence this is proved. So this way we will do this type of question. I hope you understood. Thank you.